Hey there, cigar fans. It's time for another Cigar 101 lesson. In this video, we're going to cover how to remedy dry and damp cigars. One of the worst things to discover is that one or several of your cigars can no longer be smoked. This goes double for those who buy premium tobacco. But you should know that finding your cigars damp or dried out isn't necessarily a deal breaker. There are some steps you can take to save your cigars, and while there are no guarantees, these fixes are certainly worth trying. Let's start with dry cigars, since it's a much more common issue. All it takes is someone without a humidor to forget a stick they have tucked away. Before you know it, the cigar is brittle and dry. The good news is, there's a clear and easy fix for this. Get your cigar into a humid environment. The easiest way to do that? Use a humidor. Even if you don't consider yourself enough of a smoker to own a humidor, it can easily be worth the investment in this situation. We at Best Cigar Prices have several humidors under $50, $40, and even under $30. If one of these humidors can keep you from throwing out a few premium cigars, then it'll pay for itself. While this is the most effective way to rehydrate your cigars, it does take some time. A humidor will gently reintroduce moisture back into your cigar, and it could take weeks to return it to its former glory. Now let's talk about saving wet cigars. Saving wet cigars is much trickier, but don't worry, we're here for you. The way to dry out a cigar is similar to the way to moisten one, a humidor. However, there is one crucial difference between using a humidor to hydrate and to dehydrate. In order for a humidor to remove moisture, rather than maintain it, you'll need a brand new one. The Spanish cedar found in most humidors is sold dry, which is why new humidors have to be seasoned. When you place a damp cigar in a new humidor, the cedar will absorb much of the moisture. It's like the cigar is doing the seasoning for you. Of course, if you already have a humidor, you probably don't want to buy a new one just for this purpose. No worries, any box that's lined with cedar will do the trick. With all this said, please note that these fixes are not perfect. While there is a good chance that they'll make your cigar smokable again, the damage won't be completely reversed. If you want to truly experience the cigar's flavor as intended, you might want to cut your losses and buy a new stick. Hope that clears a few things up for you. We'll see you next time at Best Cigar Prices, Cigar 101.